Hey, how's it going, guys? Right, so this is going to be a pretty interesting video. For this video, we're going to solve a hard difficulty SQL interview question by Microsoft. The question is called Premium versus Freemium. And it's a pretty popular question given by Microsoft. Let's look at the description here. We need to find the total number of downloads for paying and non-paying users by date. Include only records with non-paying customer have more downloads than paying customer. So this is going to be our first condition. The output should be sorted by earliest dates first and contain 3 columns: date, non-paying downloads, paying downloads. And we're giving these 3 tables: user dimension, account dimension, and download facts table. Now, when you look at a table that contains the keyword dimension, most likely the table is going to be used as a reference table or a relationship table. All right, so let's do this. I'm going to preview the tables. So for the user dimension table, we'll have user ID and the account ID. And from account dimension, we'll have account ID and paying customer to indicate that if this account is a paying or non-paying customer. And from the download facts table, this table has dates, user ID, and number of downloads. Now, to solve this problem, first you need to figure out the relationships. All right, so let me take a look. And this is the first time I'm trying to solve this problem. So we need to find the total number of downloads for paying and non-paying users. So users, not account, users by dates. And that'll be coming from the download facts table. So I'm going to start from the download facts table. And I'll name the table T1. Then we know that from the, let's see. So we know account dimension table does not have user ID count. So that means that we need to join the download facts table to the user dimension table. And let's do an inner join because at the end we need to return the numbers that match from download facts and user dimensions. So actually, let's just join the tables first. T2 user dimension is going to be user ID is equals to T1 user ID. Then I'm going to join to the dimension table. And I'll name the table as T3. Dot account ID is equals to T2 account ID. I'm going to select all the fields from all the tables. And we now have a master table that contains every single column based on the joins that we have right here. The next step is trying to figure out what the questions are asking. And from the statement, include only record where non-paying customers have more downloads than paying customers. And we can get the downloads number from download facts table. All right, so let's do this. All right, so let's create a base table to return just the columns that we need to answer this question. So first we need to return the, let's see. So first we need to return the date. in paying customer. This will be T2. In number of downloads, oh, this should be T3 for the paying customer. Now at this point, I have a base table that contains dates, paying customer indication, paying customer flag, and number of downloads. So I'm going to convert the data set into a CTE, and I'll name the CTE as data set. Now select from data set. Now if we examine the data set here, so for August 24, I'll sort the table by dates. Oh, order by. Now, if we look at August 15, 2020, basically we need to aggregate paying customer and non-paying customer based on the total downloads. This is actually not too bad. So we can create two columns. One column to return the downloads for paying customer by dates, and the other column to return the total download for non-paying customer. So here, let's go ahead and select dates. I want to sum. Let's do this. So I'm going to insert case expression, case 1. So this is equivalent to if statement if you are coming from other programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript. So I can say case 1 followed by the condition where paying customer is equals to yes. Then return the downloads. I want to aggregate the total downloads. Then I can copy this statement and just change the condition from yes to no. And group by dates. Oh, I forgot to name the column. Paying customer downloads. And this will be non-paying customer downloads. Now at this point, we'll have three columns. This column gives us the total paying customer downloads by dates, and the other column for non-paying customer downloads. Now we need to filter the data set here. The output should be sorted by earliest dates and contain three columns. Dates, which we have, non-paying downloads. Okay, so we need to swap these two columns. Then we need to filter the data set. So we need to return records where non-paying customers have more downloads than paying customers. So we can take the sum total of downloads. And because we're doing aggregation, so we need to use the having clause is greater than paying customer. And here I'm getting a incorrect syntax. Let's take a look. Oh, so here I forgot the comma. Okay, so this should give us the results set where non-paying customers have more downloads than paying customer. So just quickly go to the list, 15, 14, 45, 9, and everything looks good. Now at this point, there's nothing more we can do. So we can click on choose solution, and the system will mark the solution as solved. So this is going to be everything I'm going to cover for this problem, and hopefully you guys find this video useful. And if you have any question, feel free to post your question or feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.